Good morning, ma'am. My name is P. Keshavmani from Information Security Analysis and Audit afternoon slot. I'm preparing this video for J Component Review 2, and my project title is Hacking Wi-Fi Passwords Using Kali Linux with Aircrack and Aerodump commands. Before performing these commands in Kali Linux, the important thing is wireless Wi-Fi adapter, which helps in monitor mode injection. Because of this Wi-Fi adapter only, we are enabled to capture the handshake or the capture the files which are traveling in air between the Wi-Fi and the recipient. What is WPA handshake? WPA handshake is nothing but when we launch a Wi-Fi bomb that can force all users to disconnect the access point for a few seconds. That software will automatically get reconnected, and this way they sniff the connection. Handshake. Wi-Fi transmits signals in the form of air, in the form of packets. So we need to capture all the packets in the air. So we use aerodump to dump all the packets in air. After that, we should see that if anyone is connected to the victim Wi-Fi. If anyone is not connected with the Wi-Fi, the cracking is not possible as there is no WPA handshake. There is no exchange of packets between them. We can capture handshake by sending de-authentication packets to client connected to Wi-Fi. Aircrack cracks the password. But before going to that, we need to install this wireless Wi-Fi adapter with a special chip named Etheros. This is the main reason for capturing the packets traveling in the air. This is not inbuilt in a laptop, so we need use of a external wireless Wi-Fi adapter, which performs monitor mode injection. To enable this monitor mode injection by using this adapter, we need to install this first in Kali Linux by using some commands. The first open Kali Linux. For installing this wireless Wi-Fi adapter in Kali Linux, there are some packages that need to be downloaded, and there are some from GitHub too. And we'll see the commands in the Kali Linux. The first command is sudo apt update. Sudo apt update. This helps in installing the required packages for enabling this Wi-Fi adapter. 1341 packages are installed that can be upgraded. The second command is sudo apt install bc. This command checks whether all the upgraded packages are upgraded or installed. If not, if it installs or removes the excess packages. Enter. Next, here comes the rmod command. These commands just help to enable this wireless adapter in Kali Linux. We'll see the and capturing the handshake in the coming commands. The fourth command is this command is important. Git clone https github. This downloads some useful packages from GitHub online. It redirects to Firefox and downloads some useful packages. It shows already exists in my directory because I have tried it earlier and downloaded. The next command is cdrtl8188eus. This command redirects to the cd directory. The next command is sudo I. This just helps enabling the wireless Wi-Fi adapter. Echo blacklist. Copy. Without performing these commands, you won't get a LAN network in your if configured IW config. To get a LAN and perform monitor mode injection, we are performing and enabling these commands to enable the wireless adapter. Once it gets enabled, you can perform monitor mode injection and various other wireless activities. The next command is make. The next command is sudo make install. The required kernel drivers are installed now. And the last command is sudo mod probe 818EU. This deals with the probe which is connected to the USB. Therefore, by giving this command, our wireless Wi-Fi adapter gets enabled. Now open a new terminal, type if config. Now you see you're getting a WLAN network with some IP address, and there are some packets data related to this, and this comes only with the help of this wireless Wi-Fi adapter which contains a 0 chipset. Now it's time for us to perform our main experiment. The first command to enable monitor mode injection is if config WLAN 0 down. Next command is airmon ng check kill. Airmon ng check kill. This command can be used to enable monitor mode on a wireless interface. It may be also used to go back from monitor mode to managed mode, entering the airmon ng command. Airmon ng. This shows the chipset here. As you can see, this is my wireless Wi-Fi adapter. And by performing the next command, copy. Now you can, and the last command for enabling monitor mode injection is if config WLAN 0 up. Now if you type IW config, see you can see the mode it's changed to monitor, whereas before the mode is managed. Now we are in monitor mode. Now it's time to use the arrow dump command to dump the commands. Arrow dump ngwlan not. This command helps to get the required handshake between the router and the team. See, we are getting the respective BSS IDs and channel and the network names. Here the BSS ID is the basic service set identifier, simply the MAC address of that particular network. We can perform various activities after getting these handshakes and BSS IDs. I'm performing it on my network because I don't want to harm and don't want to disconnect other Wi-Fi networks. Performing on my private network. This is my network, and this is the respective BSS ID corresponding to that, and it is in the channel 1. To stop this, you need to click Ctrl Z. This is my network, and this is my BSS ID with respect to my network, and this is the channel number 1. Now using the next command to get the to capture files to capture the packets into corresponding file in the desktop in the root directory. You are using this command arrow dump paste selection arrow dump -ng. This is C is the channel number, channel is 1, and BSS ID is the respective MAC address or unique address of the particular network. My network is this, so I copy and pasted it here. And -w, it is used to write the captured data to a specified path. In my case, it is packet. I'm saving it as packet, and therefore a .cap file will be created in the desktop in the root directory, which helps us to decrypt. This is nothing but the hash file created, and it will be stored in the form of .cap. And when you click enter, you will be getting this is my Wi-Fi network, and there are 5 devices connected to my Wi-Fi network. You can see one is changing very rapidly. The PWR and rate is very high. Frames also very high. This is not. This is my TV. Now by using uh, Airplay-ng command, Control Z, Airplay-ng 10. Yeah, then the respective BSS ID, copy paste it from here. Oh, now you can see the my TV gets disconnected by using this Airplane Jet uh, uh, /a BSS ID interface. We can create a handshake, and therefore the handshake is this for my respective network. Now I'm coming out of this, and Control L. The next command is with the captured amount of hash. You need to copy this and paste it over here. You can see Aircrack-ng -b and the respective BSS ID corresponding to my network, and the .cap file which is stored in the root directory desktop, and matching it with the rock.txt. It's a standard word list that is available in Kali Linux inbuilt. Now when you compare this both, this tests the master key, transient key. This basically decrypts the password with the .cap file. The .cap file contains our captured data in form of hash. The .cap file and these word lists both sync, and in order to give the decrypted form, that is our password. As the rock.txt is an inbuilt command, inbuilt word list available in Kali Linux. It can crack any Wi-Fi password by respective .cap file. As I have run it before, it is a long file of 20 GB. It takes around 1.5 hours to 2 hours due to time constraint and my video limit. I created another word list by using crunch command in Kali Linux. After I got the required password after 45 minutes with rocku.txt. After knowing that my password is numeric, I created a new word list with respect to crunch by using numbers. Now I will use that and I will show you the output. Control Z. Next command. Rocku remove. Uh, this is the project word list. Is the word list that I created with respect to packets.cap file. Now you can see it runs as it is a 12 GB word list. It takes less time and comparatively rocku.txt inbuilt Kali Linux word list. And we can get our master key most probably in 1 minute. I've tried this attack on my neighbors also, who are my relatives. I got a password by 1 hour with rocku.txt, and we can create a various word list using crunch. If you know the password is either alphabetic or numeric, depending on the hint of the password, we can easily crack the password by using this Aircrack-ng command. See here, my Wi-Fi password is my phone number and 123 with 99.44 time second 0. It tested around 15 to 30 seconds by using the word list created by me in the crunch with minimum and maximum length. Whereas with rocku.txt, the inbuilt word list, which is available in Kali Linux, it takes around 30 to 45 minutes to give the output. For my decrypted, as my password is very high, it takes some time. Weaker passwords can be cracked easily by using rocku.txt. Thank you.